Today I am in Lauderhill at Bedessee. Come shopping with me. Let me get all of my Christmas supplies for this Christmas. Bedessee West Indian Supermarket has been my go-to supermarket ever since I moved to Florida, and I always come here to get my poncha creme, fresh sorrel, raisins. You're gonna get your raisins, your currants, your prunes, your mixed peel, everything that you need to make your black cake or fruit cake. You're going to find it here. Chow mein noodles, these are my favorite brand and they always have them on sale. They also have these cake pans from back home. Their Pedrax is on sale, so be sure to grab those. Here is the only place in South Florida that you'll be able to buy dried fruits by the pound. Also here at Bedessee, I like to pick up my Trinidad cheese. We call this Trinidad cheese, market cheese. It's really New Zealand cheddar cheese. And you can't come here and don't pick up Golden Ray, fresh bhaji, peppers, cherry bhaji, also known as callaloo, and solo, supplegent, chocolate, you name it. Whatever you're missing from back home, you can find it here. And a lot of pimento peppers, shadow benny, aka bandania, and all of your sauces, your seasoning, your condiments, you can get it here. I always shop here every Christmas, and you'll also find the Caribbean flavors Moby, which I use to soak my fruits to make my fruit cake. Here's also another great addition, that vitamin C sea moss gel, and I love to pick up chana or nuts to keep on my table. And no shopping is complete without picking up some Trini snacks. Cricks is a must, but I love my Trini snacks. They also have miscellaneous items and lots of essences for you to choose from. Now if you're a baker and you bake in a big amount, you'll be able to pick up a big bottle of vanilla essence here, along with castorip to make your pepper pot this Christmas. And here is my favorite brand of baking powder, and it comes from them. They have their own brand of Promasa, so be sure to pick that up. And they also have doubles mix. Here we have some chicken pastels and beef pastels, so you can get that when you shop, and black pudding. Guess what? They have roti, and this one, it comes straight from Trinidad, along with grind dal, which is made in-house. Cedar mill, you can even grind your own dal. So when I tell you they have everything here, all of the different types of soups, and you can get Guinness, Caribs, Stag, Shandy, you name it. Here is a home fowl, and once you find home fowl, you'll find duck available also. Don't forget to pick up your weir peppers and cascadoo. These cascadoos are huge, and a wide assortment of leaves, including the bay leaf that I always use, also known as silly mint leaf. You can also pick up your local ham here, straight from Trinidad, and a wide selection of spices, curry powder, turmeric, amchur masala, jeera, and this garlic and herb that I recently did my potato au gratin is available here. Macaroni, Chinese seasoning, Angostura chill, and so much more. I'm just stacking it on. Caramel. And if you all needed a Dutch pot, you can get them in various sizes here. Also available are fruitcakes for sale, and more chutneys, condiments, sauces, and seasonings. This is Jamaican cheese. It's a really good cheese, and I'm picking up everything that I need, as I said. They have items from Ghana, Nigeria, you name it. They stock it. Palm oil, it's available here. So many things for you to come pick up. And Uncle pointed this out to me. This is a cassava and a sweet potato kuchla. Now I have not tried it yet, so it's something I would need to try. And there's cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, and homemade ice creams also available on location. Fumi panis, kiss cakes, and this big chocolate also. Just showing you here, they have towers available.
Yes.
Wait, Miss Cheryl, how long have you been coming here?
Maybe about 10 years now.
Wow.
Yes.
And same for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And why do you like coming here?
Because everything I need, I could find right here. I'm living quite on the other side of Florida in Sarasota.
Oh, wow. That's a drive.
Oh, yes. But coming here makes the drive worth it.
Yes.
Because there's nothing that I could possibly think that I need that I cannot find here.
Yes, you can get it. Everything you think
right
of,
here.
you can get it here in
Right
one
here.
stop.
One-stop shopping.
Yes.
Do your cupboards a favor. Come on in and get all what you need. Don't forget to bring your money.
And happy holidays.
Happy holidays, Natasha. God bless. God bless. God bless.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the management and staff here at Bedessee West Indian.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.